morning. Good to see you. Thank you so much, everybody. Very privileged. I bring greetings from guys in 75 years this year. On Sunday. This is a small gift to you. This is our national bird. It is called the
This one to present to you. Melchizedek offers bread and wine to Abraham. What we have received. Book of the different works of art, treasures in here in the Apostolic Palace.